Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a backup of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. And next to the website that you want to backup or to create a backup for, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and if you go here next or just click on Save It, or yes, just hover over the word Save It or Save, you will see that I have, in my case, I have 24 backups. I can restore 2, and with the latest backup is saved on this date. If I click on Manage Backups, I can see the backup copies I can restore to. For example, just click on any date or backup, and you can see the version. For example, here or between this backup and this backup, the difference is this navigation menu. Let's take a look at it. Here, my website have this button. Here it does not use the button. So let's say that I want to restore to this backup. Simply click on this restore backup. But before this, let's see how to create a backup of your website. As you read here, to create a backup, simply publish your site. So how to do this? Let's go back to the editor. Just click on this update website button. First, let's close this window. To create a backup of your website, simply update your website like this and wait for the publishing to be completed. This publishing will take a little bit of time, so just be patient here. As you see, my website is updated. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. This publishing will take a little bit of time, so just be patient here. As you see, my website is updated, and this is how to create a backup of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. One thing I want you to be aware of is that backups are stored for just 30 days. So any backup older than 30 days will not be available to restore to. So this is the downside of backups on Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.